Then spin it around and
That one.
that's where I'm gonna take you up.
Right now?
That's the one I told you when we drove up. If you want to hit that one first, we get that one first.
Do that one first.
Let's do it. So he says that tire's low, but it looked good on the camera to me. Can't lie, when we pulled it off to the side right now, it's definitely flat. Oh yeah, that's Dunzo. Need light? Fucking piece of shit! Don't fucking scare me! You're scared of that? It's a fucking beetle. That's all it is. Now it's only at 4 psi, I think. 30 psi. That's probably the horsepower or some shit. Oh yeah, you're right. You're right. I'm never gonna agree that you're right, but
You just said it.
yeah. Gucci?
I think so.
Alright, cool. We're not straight down. This is the waterfall. Oh man, it got real dug out.
Yeah, boom, bro.
Yeah, this.
Shit. They said it couldn't be done.
Oh yeah, this is way more gnarly